What's here?
This is the big fat pumpkin.
Oh.
Hello, Kira, come. You need to see this. This is a big fat pumpkin. Out. Look, this is a big fat pumpkin. Jesus. A pumpkin. Oh, a mushed one. Yuck. 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 I'm never gonna bite. Oh! Oh, found another one too. Found another one. Found another one. Another big bucket.
Yes.
What?
I like that one.
Another booby trap.
Oh, what are we going to do now, Jakey?
I know what to do. More bucket. Where's the pumpkin? Yeah, more bucket. More bucket.
And they're all green.
More bucket. But
Or
some
most
are
of them.
green and yellow.
Yep.
I got mine. A little tiny one.
Let me see.
I mean, it's a medium. Look how.
Wee little baby.
Did you take a picture of
Yeah.
it?
I did.
Oh, big pumpkin. Two big pumpkins next to each other.
They're two brothers.
More buckets! Yeah, see? More buckets! No, okay, that's a more shit.
Is that mud? Are you guys going far?
Mama, this is how we went to the different. Mama,
Look at all of these pumpkins.
look, this is how we do. We came from here, from the sun.
Aha! More pumpkins.
Look at that orange one. Mama, look.
Nice.
It's getting mushed.
Yeah, some of them that are too close to the mud get mushed.
And a fat one again.
Look at that sky.